Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. So this is a new indicator that you can use to trade the boom and crash effectively. Okay, it works very effectively on the boom and crash market. Okay, now let us look at how this indicator works and what are the principles behind its working effectiveness. Okay, so now this indicator is very good, and before you start it, you put it on 1 minute time frame. Okay, you could see it has two indicators, the one on the main chart and the one on the indicator window. Okay, so if you look at this chart very good, you see that there are things that will confirm you a buy. Look at that place. Once that blue and red line crosses the OS above, once it's crossed above, once it's crossed it above, we are going in for a buy. We are going in for a buy. You will see where my cursor is right now. Okay, when that crosses above that place, okay, you wait for that circled green candles. So that circled green candle is going to confirm your entry. That is your entry confirmation. And once you enter there, you are holding your trade for some times. Okay, you could see how it moved. It was going down all the way, but once it gets down and it crossed that particular place, it went up. Okay, so we are not interested in selling, so we are only looking for buy opportunities. If you want to sell, it's the same scenario, but we are much looking for more buy opportunity. Okay, once it has come down from downtrend and it crossed to the upper side, it's now going to buy, even though it might be a downtrend as a higher time frame, but in the lower time frame, like 1 minute, you could have taken some trade from that movement. You could see that at the cross of that IO with the green, the blue and red line and the window indicator, and then the green circle that formed in the main chart, we had a good buy. Okay, now let us look for another opportunity to trade. All right, you see that there are things that will make you to take trades here. There are things that you need to see for you to be able to take a trade. If you check on the window indicator, you will see we have two things there. We have the arrows, we have the other one that look like MACD, though it's not MACD, it is a specialized MACD. Okay, so once that one turns to red, as you can see at that top, once it turns to red, okay, you are going in for a sell. Okay, but when it turns to green, then we are going for a buy. But at the same time, the buy is valid when the blue and red from the window indicator crosses above the OS and a green circle showed up, then plus that change of the other indicator in the window chart, that confirms you a buy. As you can see here, we had it happen, and there is a lot of good buy right there. As you can watch there. Now this is crash 500. At this point in time, we don't have a buy signal. We are seeing a sell, right? So we don't want to take trade there. And you can see here now, you can scalp your market as well. You can see it turns to blue. The other one that look like MACD turns to green. You can take your buy, scalp the market, and get away. You can see that you have arrows, so many arrows there, but the ones you are going to be using, you don't want to use all of them, but you want to use it when there is a cross. When there is a cross above the OS and you see it, the circle green formed, and then the other indicator turns to green, at that point you have a valid buy. Right, at that point you have a valid buy. As you can see it right here, there is a cross on the and on the iOS there is a circle that pop up. There is also a change in the other indicator in the main chart. Right, that is simple. And let us add it from scratch. Let us add indicators. This is crash 1000. Let us add the indicators and see how simple it is. Once you get the indicator from me, I will send you the files. All you do is just to install it on your chart and add it as I'm doing now. Just add it like that, and that is simple. So if you want to get the indicator, just check on this video description. You will see the link to my profile on WhatsApp and on Telegram. You contact me and you get it at a very reduced price, just 90% discount. Yes, it's a giveaway. Enjoy.